This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Sapporo Ichiban. It says pork back fat ramen on here, but it's a Seabura Shoyu, I believe, and it comes with a pepperoni slice of chashu. Yeah. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna take this, we're gonna take this, we're gonna put this in there, but we're not gonna put this in there. This only takes 3 minutes from Japan to your door. Happy, happy, fun, fun, hoobity hoo. So how's everybody doing? Just got my boy off to the bus, and I'm gonna finish these two. Looks like it's gonna be a decent day outside. Sun's trying to do something. I don't know what exactly it thinks it's doing, but okay, there we go. Flip it over, drop in the chashu and its included bits. And since I roll my own chashu, you won't see that in the final beauty shot, but 30 minutes. Yeah. And we'll take this, put it on top to get warm. It doesn't want to stay on top, ladies and gentlemen. It's being difficult. Try putting it right there. No, you're not going to listen. You're just going to thwart my attempts. I'll hold it on there, I suppose. So yeah, we've got kind of a little ritual that we do when I take Miles out to the bus. Take the trash out, and he gets to push the button on the trash compactor. He's 6, he loves that kind of stuff. And then we walk up a little hill and look and see what the construction people are doing. Now we've been getting out just early enough that we can like walk down the hill a little bit and around and back to the spot where we wait for the bus. We're actually able to do that twice today, so that was kind of nice. Got some steps in, got him huffing and puffing a little bit. Good stuff. And yeah, so that's what's going on. I don't know what we're doing. Oh, I know what we're supposed to go visit my sister, but I don't know if that's gonna work out. Maybe she'll come and visit. All I know is I gotta get 10,000 steps in tomorrow so I can get the next community badge for Pikmin Bloom, which, if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. It's basically like a walking app, but it's a game, and it's by the same people who do Pikmin on like Nintendo, and they also make the Pokemon Go app, and it's pretty ridiculous. You got these little dudes that are pink, white, blue, yellow, purple, and gray. And you have to like battle mushrooms and all this stuff. It's pretty psychedelic, weird thing, but something to do. I'm almost level 60. I should be hitting level 60 as soon as I can knock out some enormous mushrooms. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. I hate it when you have games and things and tasks where it's like, you're supposed to do this. It's like, give me a little more, little bit more on what I'm supposed to do, huh? I'd like to know. I want to know more. Anyways, we should be about there, huh? Got a half minute. And then we will have Seabura Shoyu, I believe. I'm beat. I am beat. I did like 10 miles a day the last 2 days. I'm gonna do another 10 today. That's gonna be the first time I've done 10 miles 3 days in a row in a while, so I'm pretty stoked on that. And I at least need to do 5 tomorrow. Alright, so first off, since I roll my own chashu, I am just going to take this out. It looks like a slice of pepperoni, and it's chashu, but it's so thin and like kind of pointless. But it's a slab of meat. It's tasty. But yeah. It's good. But it's chashu, so unless you have like a nice slab of it, it's just gonna make you sit there and go, wait, was that it? Where's the rest of the chashu? Can't we just have chashu and like a noodle? Because chashu is really good stuff. I have a recipe for it if you want to make your own. It's really easy to roll your own chashu. Here's our broth. Got a nice little bit of oiliness on top. Slightly bitter. Come on, don't be a... Here, I'll use this one. There's our noodle. That's all right. Not incredibly thrilled. Okay. Yeah, I would say that's all right. Looks like the lady at the grocery store. She's like, hello. Hey, how's it going? She just says, it's all right. She's actually had such a cheery disposition in the past. She said, living the dream. It's like, sorry I disappointed you in being your next customer in line, ma'am. She talks to other people. I must be just a weirdo. There, that's a little more moderate. Last time I did it, I like torched the hell out of the chashu. So here's a ramen egg. I made this at, what, I boiled it and put it in the marinade at probably dropped it in the marinade around 7:40 this morning. That sounds about right. My marinade literally is water and soy sauce. I don't do all the stuffs because they don't really get it. If I was going to eat it, I would eat it. But I don't. So I don't. Okay, so we got an egg. Got some chashu. Yeah, we already had some chashu. Got some. Yeah, let's try up the middle. We've really done that. That is unacceptable behavior. And we'll drop on some seeds, not a ton, not too little. Yeah. And we've got a, ooh, cool, I need to get more of these. I'm enthused about that. I need to get more Logan Ma too. It just seems like it's kind of seen better days. And there you go. Cool. Thanks again for watching. Yeah, go head over to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. The next one we got is one from China. This is by King's Noodle. It's like royal golden pea. It's like it has like peas in it. I don't know. There's a lot in this one. This should be fun. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.